Take-profit orders are a valuable tool in trading that allow you to set predetermined exit points for your positions. These orders automatically close a trade when the price reaches a specified level that is more favorable than the current market price. By utilizing take-profit orders, you can maintain discipline in your trading strategy and avoid unnecessary pursuit of profits. Let's consider an example. Suppose you enter a trade on GBP USD at 1.3260 and intend to close it when the price reaches 1.3300, resulting in a profit of 40 pips. By setting a take profit at 1.3300, you create an order that will automatically close your position when the price reaches that level. This allows you to secure your desired profit without constantly monitoring the market. Take-profit orders serve as a risk management tool, ensuring that you capitalize on favorable price movements and lock in profits according to your trading plan.